boys and girls. So, in the last lesson, we learned about what are weather. In this lesson, we are going to learn about what are seasons. So, let's start. Let's read this box. In which season do many trees have no leaves? Now, look at this picture behind this box. Do you see any leaves over here? No. But in this tree, there are leaves. As we can see in this picture, it is winter season because it has snow. In winter season, most of the trees start losing their leaves and they do not have leaves. Some trees do have, but some trees don't have leaves. So, in winter season, trees have no leaves. So the two new vocabulary words we are going to learn are season and weather pattern. So I would let you know the meaning of each word later in the lesson. So let's talk about the first season, and that's spring. Let's see what is spring. A season is the time of year. Spring, summer, fall, and winter are the four seasons. So we have four seasons, and those are spring, summer, fall, winter. And season is a time of the year, means not the entire year we have one season, we have four seasons. And they form a repeating pattern. Repeating pattern means if spring comes, after spring, always summer will come. After summer, always fall will come. And then comes the winter. Then again after winter, spring will start. So this is a form of a pattern. The weather changes with each season. So when it is summer, it is very hot. When it is fall, it is not that hot, it is not that cold. When it is winter, it is cold. So these are the patterns. Pattern means these are the ways that the weather changes. So this is called weather pattern. A weather pattern is a change in the weather and then it repeats. So the weather will repeat itself. Spring, summer, fall, winter, spring, summer, fall, winter. In spring, the air warms. There may be many rainy days. Plants begin to grow. Trees grow new leaves. People can wear light jackets outside. So in spring, new plants begin to grow and there are some new leaves coming on the trees, and sometimes people start wearing light jackets. And so in some trees there are flowers also coming. And yes, circle the adult that has its young in spring. And some animals also give birth to their young ones during the spring season. So let's circle the adult. Adult means which bird is the bigger bird. Is it baby or is it the mother? It's the mother. Mother is the adult. The one who is bigger is called adult. So mother is an adult and the babies are young. Now we are going to learn about sunny summer. Summer is the season that follows spring. In summer, the air can be hot. Some places may have storms. There are more hours of daylight than in spring. Some plants grow fruit in summer. Young animals grow bigger. People dress to stay cool. They wear hats and sunglasses to keep safe from the sun. So during summer, the air is hot and some places may also have storms. There are the days in summer are longer and the nights are shorter. And some plants would have fruits in summer and young animals grow bigger. So in spring, they give birth to the young ones. Animals give birth to the young ones. And in summer, those young ones start growing. And people start wearing cool dresses. They don't wear jackets or warm dresses because it's hot. they wear hats and sunglasses, so to keep safe from the sun. Now let's read this box. Draw an object on the adult that would keep him safe from the sun. So this is an adult, this is the baby. So what can we draw over here to keep this man safe? Let's draw sunglasses. I am just trying to draw a sunglass over here. You can draw with your pencil. That's the sunglasses. Okay. Now draw to show how most trees look in summer. Now look over here. Trees have started looking green and full. They have leaves and they start growing taller and taller. So the tree is tall and green. So you can color the tree green over here. And yeah, let's read this box. This hare's fur is brown in summer. The brown fur helps the hare hide. So now we're going to talk about fall season. Fall is the season that follows summer. So after summer, there comes fall. The air gets cooler. Why cooler? Because after fall comes winter. So people start wearing light jackets, and some animals move to the warmer places because they feel that it's going to turn into a cold environment. So they start moving to warmer places. Now let's read this box. Draw to show how some trees look in fall. So in fall, there are not many leaves green in color. They start turning orange and yellow, and they have dusky colors. Okay, and so some trees start losing their leaves. Some trees start losing their leaves, and it starts to fall. That's the reason we call it fall. That's the reason we call this season as fall, because trees start losing their leaves. So sorry for this drawing. You can just draw leaves over here, like to show that the trees are falling, and color this tree as this color, orange or yellowish color. Some animals gather food to store in winter. Some animals sleep the entire winter in their homes, so they start gathering their food. Winter weather. Winter is the season that follows fall. In some places, the air can be cold. It may even snow. Winter has the fewest hours of daylight. Many trees lose their leaves in winter. Some animals grow more fur to keep warm. People wear warm coats outside. In a few months, it will be spring again. So during winter, it is very cold, and the daytime is very short, and the nights are longer, and sometimes in some places it may snow, but in Saudi Arabia it doesn't snow that much. It snows in northern area, but in Khobar and Dammam it doesn't snow. During winter, many trees lose their leaves, and some animals grow more fur to keep warm. That means, can you see this hare? Hare's fur are white to hide itself in the snow, and its fur are thick to keep itself warm. Bears, I hope we learned in science. I hope you remember we learned in science about bear and Arctic fox. They have white thick fur to hide and to keep themselves warm. So winter comes after fall, and after the winter is done, the spring season comes. So in this box, I have drawn some branches of this tree, but I have kept it empty because in winter, most of the time, there are no leaves. So let's start with the exercise. First one, let's read the riddle. I am a time when trees have lots of leaves or no leaves at all. I am winter, spring, summer, or fall. I am a season. Season has a lot of leaves sometimes and sometimes no leaves, and it has summer, winter, spring, and fall. So it is seasons. Okay, now let's read the next one. Draw an activity you can do in spring. So you can draw any activity which you would like to do in spring. Over here, let's read the third question. Match each word to the picture it tells about. So this is summer itself. So let's match it. This is summer. Winter has snow and the leaves are less, and fall has orange yellow leaves and some are on the ground. Let me read the yellow box for you to solve the puzzle. Season, spring, weather pattern, summer, winter, fall. So let's read the questions for across. Across means sleeping line, and down means standing line, because line is going down, that's why it is down. Across. Number 1, the season that follows fall. So which season follows fall? Winter. Winter comes after fall. Number 2, the season that follows spring. What comes after spring? Summer. What comes after spring? Summer. Question number 3, the season that follows summer. Where is 3? Yeah, that's 3. So what comes after summer? Fall. Number 4, a time of a year. Always remember, time of a year is the time of a year is season. Let's read the question of down. Question number 5, the season that follows winter. So what comes after winter? Spring. Spring season comes after winter. Question number 6, a change in the weather that repeats. So when the weather repeats, it is called weather pattern. Question number 6, weather pattern. So next page, let's cross out the things that do not belong in each picture. So let's start with the first picture. This looks spring. The season is spring, but the girl is wearing winter cap, mufflers, and 2 mittens. So we will cross out these 4 things. Now second picture. Second picture, there is beach, there is sea, and then there is sun. That means the girl is on the beach. So it is summer season. Can you make a snowman in a summer season? No. So let's cross out the snowman. Now this comes fall. But in fall, you don't see green tall tree. So let's cross out the green tree. In winter, this looks winter. In winter, birds do not give birth to their young ones. So let's cross out the bird. Thank you so much for watching, boys and girls. Now we're going to do one fun activity to learn more about the seasons. So stay tuned.